Hello and welcome on how to make Crystal Catcher in Scratch. So you're going to start off renaming it to Crystal Catcher. I cannot spell today. I think that's how you spell it. And then you're going to want to get the crystal sprite out of here. Here we go. So now you have your crystal, which you're going to be placing in random positions and then catching. And you have your catcher, which is your cat. So you're going to go around and collecting the random positions. So to start off, you're going to want to click on your cat, your Scratch cat, sprite 1, events, when clicked, forever, motion, go to, random position, put it in the forever block, and then swap random position to mouse pointer. And that is now going to be your crystal catcher. That is always going to follow your mouse, no matter what you do. And in the crystal, you're going to want to do events, when clicked, forever. And then you're going to want to drag in if block. And then you're going to want to go to sensing and go touching. Sprite 1, which is what your cat's called, your Scratch cat. And you're going to want to make it, so you're going to want to make a variable called, I don't know, points, and save it as that, and now you have a points variable in the top corner. And you want to make it so it changes the points by 1 each time. You're also going to want to reset the points each time you press this, because if you go and get a point and then it basically just, you want to get it like that. You want to actually make sure they are points though, so now if you play it will do that, but that's a bit broken because if you look at the points, well, yeah. So also if we reset it, the points go back to 0. So we're going to want to go to motion, go to random position, and just keep it as random position. Do not change it. So now each time you're going to want to have to go around and change it. And just for a little bit of improvement to the game, you're going to want to add collect, which should already be there. Go to sound and make it play the sound collect until done. So now if you listen to it, and you see the point. And this is your game basically. You might want to just add in the forever block if on edge bounce, which is down here in motion, but that's just so it doesn't get stuck in that corner like that, and it's always easy to see. You might also want to change it to like size 200 so it's easier to see as well. And that's it basically. I mean, you can always do stuff to just make it more fun, like make another crystal that takes away points, but that's all up to you basically. You have the code here, so just swap around points to -1. So when it touches the Scratch cat, it gives you minus points, and that is all of your code. You might also want to change it to like this costume so you don't get them mixed up. But other than that, there is nothing left to do, really. You could just play your game and watch it happen. You can share it with your friends, do whatever you want. Although it is really annoying, so you might want to get rid of the play sound collect until done, because that is an annoying sound. But there, you can add a backdrop if you want, just make it look a bit better. Forest. You can change all of this, it's just, yeah. You can also make it keyboard controls, which we went over in the maze tutorial and the car tutorial, if you want to. So yeah, go and check them out, and also put any ideas in the comments. And see you next time.